To record your screen in Canva, you want to come to this create sign, and I'm going to go to the video and choose a video landscape. I'm going to rename my document, and now I'm going to come over to upload here. We'll click on upload. You're going to see record yourself, and if you click on record yourself, you're going to see screen recorder for desktop. So let's try that out, and this comes up. I'm going to click on start recording, and this countdown is going to happen, and you can see my recording window. I'm going to turn off my camera, and my audio is up here, it's open, and I'm going to say what screen I want to record. Entire screen is selected on entire screen, and I'm going to leave my microphone as is. This anywhere you want to be in your page. And also, if I click on record, once this countdown completes, I can now go to the screen I want to record and start talking over the screen and start doing my recording. You can also pause your screen recording and resume when you're ready to share what it is you have on your screen. I have 25 minutes of screen recording I can do. I cannot do more than that. You can see the countdown. It's happening as I am talking over my screen. And once you're done, you're going to click on finish, and it opens your screen recording in a new design. You can see when I started recording, you can see the duration of what I recorded, the countdown that was happening. It starts to upload into the Canva library here. Our upload is complete, and if you go to videos here, you always find your video you recorded in your video library under your uploads tab here, and you can start to trim your recording. You can edit this in Canva, and if I click on share here and click on download, you can download your recorded video into your device.